fortify your defenses. Yeah. Any questions? Sorry.
What the law and how much time period to take over the solve?
Look, for violations happening in healthcare,
In particularly in India, so many laws are there, but nobody has got the guts to implement in a correct way, righteously. And
That-
apart from that law, in this medical violation, any kind of take place, yes, it took place.
it took place, and that is where, while we don't have explicit healthcare, related infosec laws, you are still governed by IT law 2000, the IT Act 2000, and moreover, the entity which which has had a breach or an incident, it's mandatory from 2022 2022 certain guidelines to report a data breach or a cyber incident within 6 hours. So, I mean, that is a hard limit. It's a little too much, but at the end of the day, it is a mandatory requirement now. So certain flexed its muscles in 2022, and it's more like a mandatory requirement, and there could be penalties around it if satisfactory responses are not provided. Yeah.
Is there any more question to Mr. Chauhan? I would request, yeah, one last question for you, sir. Joe, to you.
Usually we speak of first, second, and third person. That we have read in the grammar in our school days also. So any contract, any relation between the first and second person should not be passed on to third person, either by the first or the second person, unless there is a express consent to it. If the hospitals are passing this patient's data to other third party, it is a clear violation, legal violation, not only ethical violation. Ethics has no check. Legal, there is some check. That also we tied over it. That's what happened. Thank you.
Yeah, that's true.
May I request our Mr. Srini to hand over the moment to Mr. Chauhan, please. Sir, come. Our next technical session is the role of AI and IoT modernizing supply chain surveillance. This, yeah, you want them.